Using Invideo to create YouTube videos is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can create YouTube videos using Invideo. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm at the Invideo's website. Here you have to log in with your account. Now after logging in, you simply have to click on this button which should say create a video. Here you have to give them a prompt. Suppose I want to give them a prompt like create a 30-second video of motorbikes cinematics. So I'm just going to search for that, and then I'm going to click on generate video. Now your prompt should be your prompt can be more technical, but I just gave a simple prompt so that it can go to the next step. So here it will take some time to analyze these things, and then it will ask you what type of videos you want to create. If you want to create for TikTok short or YouTube short, you just have to select that, and afterwards your video will be start producing, and in few minutes you will have your video ready up, which you will easily be able to use. So that's very much it. That's how you will be able to do it right here. Hope you guys find this video helpful.